Hello everyone, in this video we will shortly visit one of adekoCAM's basic features, its main screen's remote monitorability, or in short the BOSS monitor. We will set it up and exemplify a simple use case. The BOSS monitor is nothing but a continuous snapshot of the main adekoCAM screen with a time tag on. This image is then served by a simple web server over an IP or a web page. This allows the manager to follow the workshop operations. He or she does not have to be there or on the phone to keep track of the manufacturing process. Let's start the service. Go to the settings on the top right and select others on the left hand side. Simple settings for BOSS monitor are here. I'm selecting where the image will be saved. Currently selected is the miniweb in adekoCAM's root directory. Miniweb is just an example simple web server, and the HTML file there serves the image every 2 seconds. We will see this in action in a minute. I'm checking the monitoring on checkbox to start the service. The settings are complete. From now on, every change in the main adekoCAM view will be saved. Now I'm starting the miniweb server and opening a web browser like Chrome or Firefox to view the page. As you can see, the workshop activity on adekoCAM's main view became trackable remotely. In this video, we had a look at how to track projects via adekoCAM's remote monitoring feature. Thanks for your attention.